In Excel 365, when working with a large spreadsheet, it's common to scroll vertically or horizontally to view data. However, when scrolling down or across, important headers or row labels may disappear from view. This makes it difficult to know which column or row you are looking at. Fortunately, Excel provides a useful feature called freeze panes to help you keep rows or columns visible while scrolling. In this tutorial, we will focus on how to freeze either a row or a column so that essential information remains visible while navigating through your worksheet. This function is extremely helpful when you're working with large datasets and need to always see the column titles or row names. To start, let's look at how to freeze a column. Go to the View tab on the ribbon and select the option Freeze First Column. This will ensure that the first column, which often contains labels such as first names or other key identifiers, remains visible no matter how far you scroll to the right. As you scroll horizontally, you will see that the first column stays fixed in place, allowing you to clearly see the corresponding values in each row. Next, let's freeze a row. To do this, you need to select the row just below the one you want to freeze. For example, if you want to keep the row with headers, like full name always visible, click on the row directly beneath it. Then, go back to the View tab and select the Freeze Panes option. Now the row with the header will stay in place when you scroll down the sheet. With these simple steps, you can easily freeze both rows and columns to keep your data organized and easy to read as you work. This feature enhances your efficiency by letting you reference key information without having to scroll back and forth repeatedly. Mastering this will make your work with Excel much more effective and user-friendly.